Yo guys, welcome back to Legends. Today we're on a brand new drone flight. So yeah, today I'm in a place called Ealing. And we're gonna... So I didn't charge my drone fully, I only charged it 70% because my drone's just gone out of focus. Let's go back in focus. Oh. I'm gonna go back into focus now. Oh, I messed up. Don't tell me I have to land it again. Because... it was literally just in focus a second ago. Maybe if I switch modes. It won't change back now. I might have to turn the drone off just to get in focus again. I'm gonna put a manual focus now.
Which one? You can't have both. Oh, you can have both. Yeah?
Alright, let's do a 360 photo now. You know what I'll do? I'll turn the drone off and on. See, I'm wasting my battery here. I don't understand why it just went out of focus. I've literally turned the drone off now. Alright, what I'll do, I'll turn the drone off and on. Alright, focus is fixed now. It literally took me to turn it off. I won't take off again now. Round 2.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
I lost a significant chunk of my battery because my power bank was dead. Because I charged it a little bit from home, and then when I left, I was going to charge it my power bank because I brought my power bank with me, but then my power bank was dead, so I couldn't charge it to 100%, which I usually do. So I've got a plane up here. We're going to do a quick drone flight. We can't do it for that long.
Max altitude reached.
Let's do a 360 photo. Alright, so what we'll do, first go to the main part of Ealing, Broadway. Alright, let's go here. Let's explore the main part. As you can see, got the main centre of Ealing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a 360 orbit of this building. It's getting a little bit of FPS loss. Not sure why. I'm limited to where I can go because there's a tree there as well. Let's explore the town centre though. just gonna stay around here, just get a static shot of this place. So as you can see, we've got this building here as well, as you can see. Let's go towards it. Oops. I went behind a tree. I'll get a signal back, right? It's gonna return to home, right? I'm worried. Oh, no, we have signal, but it's like really weak. That's why it's not moving. Right.
Return to
Return
home.
to home now.
Max
I'm not
altitude
sure what
reached.
happened there. I think what I did, I walked a little bit away from the tree for some reason. Actually, we can cancel it now. So yeah, I walked a little bit away, but I don't want to risk it again. So I'm just gonna stay local. Because I basically saw a building from here, and I think I went the wrong way, wrong side of it. Because I was looking at it from my drone, and I went the wrong side of it, so completely lost signal. And it wasn't returning to home automatically. But that's because I had a little bit of signal. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go around here now instead. I'm gonna go down here instead. Got 35% still. I've messed up by not charging my power bank. I would have had 100% battery then. See, I could have gone to the main part of Ealing, but there was this tree covering the town centre. The tree right here was covering signal to my drone, and I wasn't sure which way the tree was. So probably what happened, I walked more in the way of the tree, but it's fine now, because that wasted a little bit of my battery, and even one eye. What we can do, we can get a low shot of this bus coming right here. So this is Ealing Common, big park. What we'll do, we'll come local now because I'm low on battery. So next time I'm going to make sure my power bank's fully charged, because I always make sure it's fully charged, but I completely forgot to charge it. So what we can do is we could just get a local shot of the roads, and that's it. What we can do, we can get a local shot of the roads down here. Get a shot of this. Red car going there, looks really iconic. See, it's not really a long flight because they didn't charge my drone enough. I can get a shot of this place, the main part of Ealing Broadway again, but we're not going to go that far. 20% we're going to start heading back.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
So I don't know how long the drone flight was, but it's quite short.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Alright, let's land the drone now. See, just this drone flight was alone. Just this video alone was 7 minutes, so it's not really a long video. We could have explored all that big field as well, but we don't have enough battery now. Right, that was my drone flight in Ealing, Broadway. I hope you enjoyed. I'll speak to you in the next one.